Hello friends, today we will see some problems of arithmetic mean which are depends on raw data and some problems of combined mean. We know that formula of arithmetic mean if raw data is given is sum of all the observations upon total number of observations. If we consider observations x1 x2 up to xn, then its formula is x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 up to xn upon n. Then formula of combined mean is x12 bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. Take this problem. For the following data, it gives distribution of weights of boys and girls in the class. Find combined arithmetic mean. This problem is given. Here number of boys 55, we consider n1 for number of boys. Then number of girls 65, we consider n2 for number of girls. Then mean weights of boys, we consider variable x1 for boys. Mean weights of boys is x1 bar is equal to 58. Then mean weight of girls, for girl we consider variable x2, therefore mean weights of girls is equal to x2 bar is equal to 44. These values are given. Here we have to find x12 bar. We know that x12 bar means combined mean. Combined mean, its formula is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. If we put all these values in this formula, we get final answer. See here, 55 into 58 plus 65 into 44 upon 55 plus 65, and if we calculate this, we get 50.41. This is our value of combined mean. Then take one more problem. The average marks of 100 students in accountancy are 60 and another group of 50 students, the average marks are 90. Find the average marks of combined group of 150 students. Here, average marks of 100 students, we consider n1 for first group of 100 students. Therefore, here value of n1 is 100 and its average marks are 60. Therefore, x1 bar is 60. Then another group of 50 students, we consider this is second group. For this group, here n2 is 50. The average marks are 90. Therefore, x2 bar is 90. Find average marks of combined group of 150. 150 means this 100 plus this 50 is 150. Here n1 is 100, n2 is 50, x1 bar is 60 and x2 bar is 90. Here we have to find x12 bar. For x12 bar, our formula is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. Here n1 is 100, x1 bar is 60 means 100 into 60 plus n2 is 50, x2 bar is 90 means 50 into 90 upon n1 plus n2 means 100 plus 50. If we calculate this, we get 6000 plus 4500 upon 150. This is equal to 10,500 upon 150, and if we calculate this, we get x12 bar is equal to 70. Then take one more problem. The average monthly salary of employees of a firm is 5,000 and average salary of gents and ladies from the firm are 8,000 and 3,500. Find ratio of gents and ladies in the firm. See here, average monthly salary of employees of a firm is 5,000 means x12 bar is 5,000. Average salary of gents and ladies of the firm are 8,000. We consider x1 bar 8,000 and x2 bar is 3,500. If we put all these three values in our formula of combined mean, we get 5,000 is equal to n1 into 8,000 plus n2 into 3,500 upon n1 plus n2. If we cross multiply this, we get 5000 n1 plus n2 is equal to n1 into 8000 plus n2 into 3500, or we can multiply this 5000 inside the bracket. We get 5000 n1 plus 5000 n2 is equal to 8000 n1 plus 3500 n2. If we take same variable on one side, we get 5000 minus this 3500 into n2 is equal to 8000 minus 5000 into n1, or we can write this as 1500 into n2 is equal to 3000 into n1. That is n1 as to n2 is equal to 1 as to 2. This is our final answer. Then take this problem. Arithmetic mean of 60 observations is found to be 20. Later on, while checking the data, it was observed that two atoms having values 21 and 30 are taken as 31 and 3. Find arithmetic mean by making necessary corrections. Here arithmetic mean of 60 observations means n is 60 is found to be 20, means arithmetic mean x1 x bar is 20. Later on checking the data, it was observed that two atoms having values 21 and 30 are taken as 31 and 3. That means here correct observations are 21 and 30 and wrong observations are 31 and 3. Here we have to find correct correct arithmetic mean. See here correct observations are C1 is equal to 21, C2 is equal to 30 and wrong observations are 31 and 3. Then we know that formula of arithmetic mean if raw data is given is x bar is equal to summation xi upon n, means sum of all observations upon total number of observations. Here x bar is given 20 and value of n is 60. If we put these two values here, we get 20 is equal to summation xi upon 60. That is 20 into 60 is equal to summation xi. 20 into 60 is 1200. This is equal to x1 x2 up to xn, means sum of all observations is equal to 1200. For correct sum, we subtract wrong observations from this summation xi, and if we add correct observations in this, we get correct sum. Therefore, correct sum is equal to these observations minus wrong observations, which are 31 and 3, plus correct observations 21 and 30. If we subtract wrong observations from this sum and if we add correct observations in this, we get correct sum. Therefore, correct sum is summation xi minus 31 plus 3 plus 21 plus 30. If we calculate this, we get 1200 minus 31 plus 3 plus 21 plus 30. This is equal to 1183. This is our correct sum. As we have correct sum and we know that n means total number of observations is equal to 60. If we divide correct sum by number of observations, we get x bar, correct mean. Therefore, correct mean is 1183 upon 60 and this is equal to 19.72. This is our final answer. Thank you.